This is Dave Espino, the Info Boss, and welcome back to our videos. In this video, I'd like to answer the question, is passive income real? Because most books seem to treat it like it's some kind of a fairy tale. Well, the bottom line is passive income is real, and there's varying degrees of passive income. So there's varying degrees of things that you have to do in order to generate a passive income. But basically, most passive income streams result from, number one, you have a product or service. Number two, you have an automated way to sell that product or service online through a merchant service or through an online course. And number three, you drive traffic to that product or service to be able to sell a lot of it. And when you have an automated delivery system and an automated traffic system, then you have passive income. So there are a variety of ways to do this. Okay, number one way that I've done it in the past is I set up, this is a long time ago, but I set up a bunch of sites that sold an ebook. So each website sold its own ebook. Think of it as a mini site. And each website had content on it that drove traffic, that brought people to the ebook, and then they bought the ebook. And when they bought the ebook, it was digitally delivered to them, and the money was digitally delivered to me. So that's a form of passive income. My very first passive income was very similar to that, where I sold my very first ebook in the same way. I wrote a lot of articles on the internet, and those articles, at the end of the article, I had a little resource box, or a signature box it's called, where it tells about the author and it gives them a link to your website. And that drove a lot of traffic to my ebook to where I got it to make $3,000 a month in passive income. There are other ways to make passive income. For example, affiliate programs. Affiliate programs can be a good way to build a passive income, but you've got to be in the right affiliate program. There are good affiliate programs and there are not so good affiliate programs, and the really good ones, they do an amazing job of closing the sale. The poor ones don't do a very good job of closing the sale. The really good ones also offer lifetime cookies, which means that once somebody visits through your link, they are always tagged to you and you always get credit for any future sales. I'm going to have a link to my favorite affiliate program down below this video. Another way to build a passive income is to build a membership site. Now, a membership site is where you have a lot of ongoing content or a lot of new content all the time, and you're always adding it to the membership site, and people are paying you on a recurring basis. So maybe they're paying you 25 bucks a month, 50 bucks a month, or 100 bucks a month to receive this timely, time-sensitive content. That's not quite as passive as some of the other ways because it does require that you keep adding content and adding content, but it can be semi-passive because you've got people paying you on a monthly recurring basis. And my favorite way by far to build a passive income is to create an online course or several online courses. What you do with this is you create a digital product that shows people how to do something you're good at, or how to do something you're passionate about. And you start selling this course through a digitally delivered platform, drive traffic to it, and now people are buying your course and paying you whether you work or not. That's an amazing passive income. So if you'd like to learn more about the online course business or really any of these other passive incomes, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also be sure to check the link below this video where I'm going to give you my free book called The World's Most Perfect Business, all about the online course business and building a passive income.